Hello, I am Dr. Neva with Nevalliance. Nevalliance is also Nevalliance. I wanted to take this time out for you really to understand what exactly is Nevalliance. Well, we started out really in 2013 where we offered more educational based services. We've recently evolved in 2020 to bring more entrepreneurial business content to the world. We have 3 different business series program that we do. And the first one that I'm going to bring to you is our how-to segment, our business startup segment. And that is done by me, where I basically tell you how to create your business, how to improve your business, and so much more knowledge for startups. The next is our webinar series, where I pretty much bring experts in their field to basically teach you how in different topics. Now these topics may vary. It's not just on business, but maybe you want to become a better parent, or maybe you want to learn about anxiety, how to overcome it, or maybe you want to learn about networking. Experts varies in different fields. And the last is global business. If you're not aware of what is global business, it's a segment where I bring individuals from all parts of the world to sit down and speak about their business, their entrepreneurial journeys, their challenges, and all this just for you to learn. All right? So I hope to have you watch these videos, share them with others, and let's grow together. I am Dr. Neva Alexander, and welcome to Nevalliance.